So hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial from a Listen Everyday. Today I'm going to share with you how to create an offline website, okay, and upload it through FTP to your server or maybe file manager or cPanel. So it's a great thing to create a website offline and have it on your computer and upload it, make of course, and do the modifications on your computer and start uploading pages, posts, and so on and so forth. If you have it, for instance, on a host service, you may the service might expire and then you will lose all the content of your website. Okay, so I'm going to use web page maker. It's a great tool to create a website. Okay, what's beautiful about this one is that the SEO thing, it helps you a lot with SEO. It gives you where you can put the tags and so on and so forth. And I noticed that Google index the pages and the content created by web page so quickly. Okay, so here, for instance, we chose this template here, right? So this is for instance an example. And of course, what's beautiful about this tool is that you can clean and do wherever change you want, insert HTML and so on and so forth. Okay, nice. Of course, here you can come to page and then you can come to website content and then you will see the pages that you have. What you do here is that you will delete the following pages except for the index, of course, and then you start creating your own pages. Okay, um, you can insert text, insert whatever thing you want. Well, what I'm gonna do here is create an entire different thing that of course this is just a page, right? What I'm going to do is to show you how to create, for instance, a header. This is an entire empty page here. Okay, for instance, let's create a simple header. Okay, I'll just try to see the website as a whole. Right, as you can see here, let's call this one a header, and you can totally check the dimensions down here. Okay, alright, so this is the header of our website here. You can put a logo here, you can change the name, I mean the color, sorry. You can change the color to white, for instance. Normally the headers are white, and then you can put a frame or something like that. That's what I like to do. Whatever you want to, this website, this tool helps you do the things that you really want to do. So here I can just check the grid and to make sure I don't. Okay, here I can put a menu for my website, and then here I can put content page. Well, I can leave the no, I can leave the footer, but okay. So this is the header, this is the place where I put the menu, and this is my page here. I can totally change it, I can totally remove this one here. Let's get rid of the grid now, and then can make this one smaller to make it sidebar or something. Okay, now I can add or make the menu a little bit if you want to add text, of course you will add text in the place, okay, or shortly in that place. So let's see, for instance, listen every day. Okay, this is maybe my title of the website. Okay, needs to be big. Okay, so here what I'm doing here is I'm creating a website on my laptop. Okay, I'm creating a website on my laptop. I can add here home, change the, of course, the hand or the change the the font. Home, games, for instance. Again, start from here. Games, apps, movies. Okay, and then I can put the color that I want the text to be in. Just drag. Only it should be small, just a menu. Okay, I can of course change the appearance if I want to. I can property, can come here and choose the appearance that I like most. Okay, I can totally change this one to black here. Of course you are free to play with it the way you want it to. Okay, I'll change it to black and use orange. Use the text as black here. Alright, I can totally remove the okay, here of course you can put whatever you want. I need just to change the title to look a little bit like a pro. Okay, keep Times New Roman. And now what I'm doing here is that I'm not creating or on a very difficult platform like Dreamweaver or something. I'm just creating something very simple, a basic website using a very simple a very simple tool, okay, which anyone can use, almost anyone with very doesn't really need any I can use these ones here if you wanted to add a menu here or something. Okay, I was like looking for an some kind of a logo. Okay, from library, and then I will come to logo and I will choose this one for instance as a logo. Of course you will create your logo, your own logo, and then you can upload it. What I would like you or advise you to do is that whenever you create something, you whenever you create something, you save, and of course you make sure you have a good folder in which you will keep all the um, all the all the files used in this website. Okay, so one of the things that I would like you to do, so this is one simple thing, one simple website on a very simple platform. Okay, this is for instance the footer. Okay, and here you go, you have a website. In case you wanted to upload it, you will publish. You will publish into a local. You will publish into a local host, or you will publish into a website. Okay. You will publish. Okay, and then you will, of course, if you want to publish to a local host, you publish to this. Okay. You will publish, and then the files will create an entire folder which you will have to upload to your website. Okay, but the problem here is that you will have to use FileZilla to upload all the files at once. That's why I definitely don't recommend that you do that. Okay, don't use this unless you know how to use FileZilla to upload all the files. It is better if you know the your information to upload directly through the port 21. Okay, for instance, your site, the website to which you will upload, you make sure it's not a blog, it's something that you have a host, even if it's 000 whatever, 00 web, you can upload to 00 web. Okay, then you put your website here, or your server, your host site, name of the server, the port, your username. Of course, you will go to your database and then get your name and then your password. Okay, or you use the same one that you used to enter to access file manager, and then you click add or okay, and then you publish. Then you will find whatever you did here on your website. Okay, now let's go back to CEO. How does this page help you with CEO? No, if you look here and then you go to the property of the page, you will find the meta tags, the title of your page, of course, which will show on the next to the fav icon. And of course, you see, for instance, listen every day for something. Okay, whatever, home, for instance, this is the home page. Then you write your name as an author, and then you put keywords, which Google is going to spread them by with commas and so on and so forth. Okay, something like this, and then you write a description. When Google comes to index or tries to index your page, they will take into consideration the keywords and the description and the content of your website. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please ask. Next time I will try to do Dreamweaver and Artisteer and other platforms which are a little bit more difficult.